see? What exciting adventures will we choose?
Hello everyone.
It's Darren and Susan from Retiredtimetocruise with another video.
Yes, today we're bringing you another exciting video of our journey through Spain.
This time we're talking about Magic World.
Oh boy, that is a fantastic place. We really enjoyed our visit to Magic World.
Now, how we decided to get there was a little bit unique. We knew we were picking up friends in Barcelona, but they also had made another plan to meet up with friends in Alicante.
We had to pick someplace halfway in between Barcelona and where they were going, or at least enough distance that we could get out of Barcelona and the high prices in Barcelona.
So I took Google Maps.
And I took Expedia.ca, and between the two of us,
Well, I expanded the map and took my finger and looked for a low price
and I checked it on Expedia.ca to see which was the best price for the hotel.
and Magic World fit the bill.
Now this is a spectacular place. It is a little bit resortish, like it does have all-inclusive options. They call them half boards and full boards at all-inclusive, but they have many different versions of the same hotel room.
Anyways, here's your tour of a little bit of the main street and through our hotel, Magic Inn at Magic World. Another Spanish adventure. Here we are at Magic World. Most of the venues are shut down, but this is showing you the avenue between the Games Hotel and ours. We're in the Magic Inn, but we eat at the Magic Games Hotel. It's got a lobby full of games, video games for kids to play, kids and teens. So it's a lot of fun for them. Our hotel is a little bit quieter, but it is such good value. I'm so impressed. Then we get to go past the kind of cartoon-like storefronts. Again, they're not open today. Today is Tuesday, but they're still cool to look at. Maybe some of them are open. This one has the door open. Ah, that's the entrance through to the water park, it looks like. There's people heading to the water park. And this is our hotel. And yes, it is a kind of an odd angle like that. It's kind of a triangle building. Yeah. Has a big gym in the bottom. And our room is on the second floor, looking at this street here. The gym was being used earlier. I don't see people in it right now. And this is our hotel. Entry. There's a cafe where you can get drinks. We sat in here and played cards yesterday. We will take the elevator to the second floor. just because we have been. Oh, I don't think that one's, oh! Exclusive for firefighters right now.
Cleaners.
It says firefighters, but probably cleaners. We wore sweatshirts this morning. I don't think we really needed to. Oh, Darren took his
I
off.
already peeled my sweatshirt.
And second floor. In Spain, it's kind of interesting. The ground floor is 0. And actually, I think most of Europe, ground floor is 0. An interesting seating area. And like I said, it's a kind of a triangle. There's rooms down that way. And rooms down that way. There isn't a hall that goes across. And then this is our room. Now, we don't have a key. They actually give you a code to get into the room. So Darren's looking the code up because we were smart and put it into our phones. Now, it looks like they have not come around and cleaned our room, but here's what we have. Walk in and this is the bathroom. So, tiny sink, mirror, hair dryer. The bathtub has a swinging half door. It doesn't cover the whole tub, but it is a jetted bathtub, so that's interesting. And the shower wand that you have the option up or down. Squeeze bottles of soap, adequate towels, and we're in Spain. Toilet and bidet. I joked, I said that's a cup holder beside the toilet. That would only happen in America. In here, that would be for a toilet brush. There's a closet, and in the closet is our mess. So it's got lots of hangers. It had extra blankets and pillows, but we used them. And a safe. So that's always nice when you can get a safe in a room. Again, our messy bed, but it's 2 twin beds pushed together for comfort. And that would be a fold-out couch because, of course, this is Magic World. They're expecting families, so you could put 2 children easily on that fold-out bed. Nicely decorated. There's a side table, and look how many plug-ins they have. We only have 1 adapter, so we're a little bit limited. Side table. A fridge with kind of a mini bar. Well, it's a selection of soft drinks. A nice TV. Mirror. Lots of lights. Even a corner lamp with a foot switch. Believe it or not, there is another night table under there. And again, more plugs and light switches. Most of the lights can be operated from right beside the bed. It's nice. Now, the pièce de résistance. We've got a huge balcony. Let's see if the phone can adapt to the light. Two chairs, nice and big. Absolutely comfortable, and we look straight across into the water park. What a fun place to be. And there's the entry gate into the area. Lots of hotels. We're very pleased with this one. We chose it as a half board, and we think that means we get lunch and dinner. We'll find out soon.
Now they have several properties. We stayed in the 3-star Magic Inn. They have 3 more 4-star hotels and 1 5-star that was unfortunately already closed for the season.
Well, I hope you enjoyed your tour through our hotel room, even though it was a little bit messy.
Well, you can't be too clean when you're on holidays.
Please continue to watch our videos.
Subscribe, comment, and share with your friends, please.
We're gaining more and more subscribers all the time, and we really appreciate all of your support.
We sure do. So thank you, everyone, and let's keep on going.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.
We're retired, it's time to cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTubes.